Hello everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of H. Rishabh Raj Group new launch project Rishabh Raj Aviana located in Bangunnagar, Goregaon West. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, amenities, location, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, let me take you to the actual location and the actual land parcel of our project. As you can see, we are standing right outside the land parcel of our project, and this is the main road and the neighborhood of our project. As you can see, we are standing at the actual land parcel of our project where A, B, C and D wing will be coming. The right behind me, the sales office of our project is getting constructed. Rishabh Raj Aviana is constructed on the Japanese theme Wabi Sabi, which is the concept of values of beauty in things. This project will be constructed on 2.38 acres of land parcel, having one tower with 4 wings with retail shops on ground levels, 3 podium levels, then 18 residential floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located off New Link Road, Bangunnagar, Goregaon West, from where Link Road is only 100 meters away and D-Mart is also at a distance of 100 meters. Bangunnagar metro station is at a distance of 200 meters and Goregaon railway station is only at a distance of 1.8 kilometers. Upcoming D.Y. Patil College and Jain Dahesar is within the vicinity, and also Ram Mandir and Swami Ayyappa temple is within the vicinity. Talking about the project amenities, this project has 40 plus ultra luxurious amenities, having a clubhouse, gym, infinity swimming pool, kids play area, multi-purpose court, indoor games and many more. Talking about the configuration and carpet area, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences with 2 BHK carpet area ranging from 710 to 778 square feet and 3 BHK carpet area ranging from 940 to 1275 square feet, and Jodi option is also available. Talking about the booking process, the project window for this project is now open. Till then, the client can come and visit the site and the sales team will explain you complete project overview with project layouts and will give you full pricing. And then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 3 lakhs for 2 BHK and 5 lakhs for 3 BHK. This token will have benefits like exclusive launch discount, unit allocations where customers can choose their own respective apartments. So everyone, this was the teaser of H. Rishabh Raj Group new launch project Rishabh Raj Aviana located in Bangunnagar, Goregaon West. If you have any queries related to plans, pricing, brochure or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. All our NRI clients from UK, US, UAE and Europe can also contact us from the same link. At last, don't forget to follow and subscribe to Housey for more such teaser videos.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.